Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers without commission. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. One inherent component that traders must always consider when they compare different Forex brokers involves trading fees. Broker fees are typically applied to every trade to cover the service of the broker in facilitating the trade. While the fees are typically always charged by a Forex broker, they can differ in how they are charged and how much is charged. Forex brokers can charge flat fees by applying commission charges on trades where there are tight spreads. Other Forex brokers who offer wider spreads do not charge commissions and thus offer commission-free options. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers without commission can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers without commission. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is Tickmill. Tickmill is an award-winning ECN and STP broker that is regulated by multiple agencies and is available in more than 200 countries worldwide. As a Tickmill client, you will have access to a variety of trading tools and features, including auto chartist, my FX book, virtual private servers, and more. If you are new to Forex trading, you can learn to trade using the educational resources provided and use a demo account to practice on. You can rely on daily Forex news updates to make sure you make informed decisions, and you can use technical and fundamental analysis reports and market insights to navigate the markets. With Tickmill, you can trade a wide variety of stocks, shares, indices, metals, energies, bonds, CFDs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, and more. Tickmill offers a variety of trading accounts, including a classic account, which features a minimum deposit of $100 and spreads from 1.6 pips. Their Pro account has a minimum deposit of $100 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Their VIP account includes a minimum deposit of $50,000 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Tickmill's demo account gives you access to all the account features and more than 80 tradable instruments. And their Islamic account offers a no dealing desk model with execution speeds of 0.2 seconds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the MetaTrader web trading platform. They also provide a wide variety of trading tools for all types of traders. Tickmill allows all social trading methods, enabling you to trade using MQL signals, auto trade, and even become a multi-account manager. As part of this commitment, Tickmill launched a project in collaboration with forexclub.pl, the leading Polish Forex education resource and one of the most successful professional money managers in Poland. This course helps new traders get started with social trading, a fast-growing trend in the Forex industry. Tickmill also provides a wide variety of educational resources, such as webinars, seminars, a variety of trading ebooks, a large repository of video educational content, infographics, and much more. If you are new to Forex trading, or you are looking for a copy trading friendly broker with a wide variety of trading tools, we highly recommend checking out Tickmill. If you are not ready to deposit any real money into your live trading account with this broker, you can try a demo account that will give you access to all the tools and features that real accounts have. Coming in at number 3, we have markets.com. Markets.com was founded in 2008 and is a well-regulated STP broker based in Australia, South Africa, and Cyprus. The broker is regulated by the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FSCA. This broker offers tight spreads, VIP services, and sophisticated technology for retail traders and institutional investors. However, it is also a suitable option for beginners, specializing in trading through Forex currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodity CFDs, bonds, index CFDs, equities, and ETFs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Markets.com proprietary trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Markets.com offers one standard multi-purpose trading account that can be used to access all the platforms and over 2,200 tradable instruments. However, you can also upgrade to a professional account if you are a high-volume trader or an institutional investor. Their accounts come with negative balance protection, minimal slippage, and tight spreads. Markets.com also provides their very own knowledge center that delves into traders' insights, honest expert opinions, and tips for trading and investing with confidence. You can also download their trading ebook and use X-Ray for professional news feeds, expert views, and market commentary. There are plenty of webinars, news updates, analysis reports, and other resources that you can use to help you learn more about trading. At number 2 on our list is Just Markets. Just Markets is a dynamic and innovative online trading platform providing traders with a cutting-edge environment to explore and engage in various financial markets. With a commitment to transparency and user-friendly features, Just Markets has quickly become a preferred choice for traders seeking to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Just Markets offers a diverse array of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. Their comprehensive selection encompasses a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. Just Markets is committed to providing added value to its users, whether it's bonus incentives, reduced fees, or exclusive rewards. Their promotions are designed to enhance your trading experience and provide you with unique advantages in the financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 as well as MetaTrader 5 with social trading tools. Their accounts are available on Standard, Standard Cent, Pro, Raw Spread, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. These account types are designed to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of its users, whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor. Just Markets has an account option that suits you, from demo accounts for those looking to practice their trading strategies risk-free, to standard accounts with access to a wide variety of trading instruments, and premium accounts with enhanced features and benefits. Just Markets is not just a trading platform, it is also a valuable educational resource hub. They provide a wealth of educational material designed to empower traders and investors at every skill level. From comprehensive tutorials and webinars to insightful articles and video content. Just Markets offers a wide range of resources to enhance your understanding of the financial markets. Whether you're interested in learning the basics of trading or refining your advanced strategies, these educational tools provide the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers without commission, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage, referral rewards, and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone Demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their Active Trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools, such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers without commission on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.